Today, I'm going to unbox a KRA 2422 100th Anniversary Edition. Once unboxed, I'm going to load it on my 20-foot Snap-on van, where it goes on final display like this. Then it's off to the recycling center. Let's not forget about safety, so I'll be using some Snap-on issued safety glasses and some work gloves. Let me get some help from my utility knife and cut off those hard plastic straps holding on the box to the pallet. The Algona Iowa plant does its best to protect the precious cargo. The box you see here is not that big. After removing the plastic wrap, let's get the keys, unlock it, and get the drawer liners. I'm now going to line up the corrugated box ramp that Snap-on provides us. The ramp is extremely useful in removing the box from the pallet. Let's unlock the casters. Of course, your new Snap-on toolbox comes with non-slip drawer liners. Let me install them now. The 100th Anniversary Editions come with a special keychain. Since I'm by myself nearly 100% of the time, I use these special transport handles to easily handle the boxes. Time to get this little guy off the pallet. As you can see, the ramp definitely helps with excess wear and tear, removing the box from the pallet. Caster got a little twisted up, no big deal. Once again, that box ramp makes my job very, very easy. Time to remove the protective covering over the 100th anniversary decals. This special edition is a beauty. Now it's time to lower my liftgate. No, that sound is not my liftgate. That's my next door neighbor using the impact wrench. This is a special ramp that I use to go from the liftgate to inside the truck. Next, I need to make things slippery. Windex and a non-friction floor plate. Okay, now onto the liftgate with the drawers facing in the proper direction. I think I've made that mistake once or twice where the drawers were not facing in the proper direction. Let me kick up the safety plate so the box doesn't fall backwards off the liftgate. That would be a disaster. Thankfully, it's never happened to me. At this point, you always want to be conscientious of pinch points. Don't want to jam your foot or your hands. You could probably get a sense it's a beautiful day here in New Jersey. It really sucks when you have to unload or load the toolbox when it's snowing or raining. There's that impact wrench again. Easy peasy lemon squeezy into the slot. Yeah, I know. I misjudged the friction plate and the Windex. Gotta use an asset to finish the job. And that's how a toolbox gets loaded onto the Snappy truck. Here she is, ready for sale. Of course, we're environmentally conscious, so now it's off to the recycling center.